Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. Today we're shining a light on a fascinating object that's been a part of human history for millennia, the mirror. So let's reflect on how this object has shaped our view of ourselves and the world around us. Mirrors, huh? We check them before we head out, use them to apply makeup, or even just to make sure there's nothing in our teeth. But have you ever stopped to wonder about how this common object came to be? Imagine this. The earliest mirrors weren't glass at all, but polished stones. People in Anatolia, modern-day Turkey, used obsidian mirrors about 8,000 years ago. Pretty cool, right? As we move through time, the ancient Egyptians polished copper to a high sheen for their reflective needs. In China, it was bronze mirrors by 2000 BC. These weren't just practical items, they held spiritual significance, believed to protect against evil spirits with their ability to reflect the truth. Imagine chatting with an ancient Egyptian artisan, crafting a mirror. You might ask, what makes these mirrors so special? And they'd likely tell you about the magic of seeing one's own reflection, thought to capture a piece of the soul. By the Middle Ages, glass mirrors started to appear, thanks to innovations in Venice. But these were luxuries, symbols of wealth and vanity. It wasn't until the Industrial Age that mirrors became more widespread and affordable due to the invention of modern, silvered glass mirrors in the 19th century. Think about a world without mirrors. How would our perceptions of beauty and self change if we couldn't see ourselves as we do now? Today, mirrors are not just for personal grooming. They are integral to art, architecture, and technology. Telescopes, lasers, and cameras all rely on mirrors. Even solar power plants use massive mirrors to harness energy from the sun. Next time you look in the mirror, think about how this piece of glass carries with it thousands of years of history, innovation, and human culture. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.